Good morning, students. Again, we are deal with our chapter squares and square root, in which we will discuss about chapter 3, exercise 3C. In this exercise, we have to find out how do we find out square of a number by using shortcut method. In this, number one method is column method. Here is the column method for squaring two-digit number. Dear students, please follow the word that two-digit number to be find out, whose square to be find out in this exercise, in this question particular. So here we use word column. So to find out square of 96, in this we have to follow this formula: a square plus b square plus 2a. Suppose a equal to 9 and b equal to 6. Now we have to draw column. That is 3 column. First column is for a square, that is a into a. Second is for 2 into a into b, and third is for b square equal to b into b. Now we have to put the numbers according to the column. Since a is equal to 9, b equal to 6, that is 9 multiplied by 9, then 2 into 9 into 6, then 6 into 6. First two rows have, first row have this property, then we have to substitute the values of this, and in third row we have to solve it. 9 nines are 81, 9 6 are 54, 54 2s are 108, 6 6 are 36. In this we have to underline first number. Now the second leftover number to be carried to the second column. Now 8 plus 3, 1 carry, 111 is the sum of 108 and 3. Again 1 to be underlined, 11 to be carry forward to the first column and to be added. 1 plus 1 2, 8 plus 1 9. Underline both the number. That means square of 96 equal to 9, 2, 1 and 6. The underlined digits are to be written as per given process. Hence 9216 is the shortcut method to find out square of 96. This method is known as column method, and this method is applicable for two-digit number only. Now again, in question number 2, we have to find out, here is given 3-digit number, that is 256, whose square to be find out by using another shortcut method, that is called diagonal method. Dear students, what is a diagonal? See, diagonal is a line which connects two opposite corners. That means here is a board. This board, if I draw one line through this corner and meets to this point, this line, this imaginary line is known as diagonal. So we have to find out square of 256. See, here 3 digits have been present in the number 256, so that this diagonal has also three columns. That means here we see 6 equal size boxes are formed by this method. Now we have to draw their diagonals for each square. Now the number that have to be find out square to be right like this: 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. Now be careful, we have to multiply them. 2 2s are 4, that to be right like this. Then 5 5s are 25. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 2 6s are 12. And 2 6s are 12. 5 5s are 25. 6 6s are 36. 6 5s are 30, 5 6s are 30. Now we have to work out in this half triangle. 6 is along, then 0, 3 and 0 to be added. This will give now only 3. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15. 15. Again we have to put underline in first number. Then 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. Now here 1 to be carried to this number and to be added. 4 plus 1, 5. Now this underlined number to be written as square of 256, that is 6, 5, 5, 3,